The filter tool allows you to search all of the layers available in Landmark and control what information is visible on the map. Double-click the blue header to open the toolbar, then click the Tools button, and you'll see the Filter button here on the right. Click the Filter button and the tool will open in the left side panel. You can see that we have a list of all layers that are in Landmark. So we'll select fire districts. We can select either to filter the entire map or just our current extent. We'll filter the entire map. Then you need to add a condition. Let's say we want to see only the Crum Fire District. So I'll select KRFD from the list, then click Filter. So the filter has been applied, but we don't see anything because our Fire Districts layer isn't turned on. We'll go to our Layers list, scroll down to Public Safety, turn it on, then click Fire Districts. So you can see only Crum Fire District shows up on the map. You can also filter 911 addresses if you wanted to see addresses that are only in a certain municipality. So let's say to go along with our Crum Fire Department, we only want to see 911 addresses in Crum. We can see a drop-down list of options, and you notice that all of the city names are uppercase. So we're going to go ahead just to narrow down the list, start typing in Crum, and you can see the list narrows to only matching results. We'll select Crum from the list and click Filter. Now we'll go back and zoom in so we can see our 911 addresses. When we zoom in, we can see 911 addresses in Crum, but over here in Denton, we don't see any 911 addresses. To get rid of your filters, just go back to Filters and click Clear. And you can see all of our 911 addresses are back.